Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function bool. Greetings, Python programmers. Today, we are diving into a fundamental built-in function that plays a critical role in conditional statements and logic handling, the bool function. This function is a cornerstone of decision-making in Python scripts. Let's explore its functionality and how you can use it effectively. The bool function in Python converts a value to a Boolean, according to the standard truth testing procedure. The syntax is simple, bool of x, where x is any Python object. This function returns false for none, 0, empty sequences or collections, and true otherwise. It's essential to grasp what truthy and falsy mean in this context. Truthy refers to values that evaluate to true in a Boolean context, and falsy are those that evaluate to false. Understanding these concepts is key to mastering Python's control flow. Why the bool function? This function is incredibly useful for evaluating conditions in if statements, loops, and other control structures. It helps in simplifying complex checks and ensures that operations proceed based on clear Boolean logic. You'll find bool particularly useful when you need to check the presence or content of a variable, or when determining the path a program should take based on the properties of data. It's also invaluable in debugging and testing, where determining the truthiness of expressions quickly is crucial. Let's look at some examples where the bool function is effectively used. In example 1, you can see how bool evaluates various Python objects. In 2, we can see how bool is used in a condition statement. Since it'll evaluate to true or false, you can use it as your primary condition in an if statement. In the third example, we can see that bool can be used with complex data structures. These examples demonstrate how bool helps in making decisions based on the existence and truthiness of various Python objects, from simple integers to complex lists. And that's a wrap on the bool function. By integrating bool into your Python toolkit, you can enhance the logic and efficiency of your condition checks and control flows. Keep exploring Python's built-in functions with us. For more programming insights and tips, make sure to subscribe.